All right, so what is the slope and the y-intercept? So we're going to be talking about different places you need to find the slope and the y-intercept. So in an equation, the slope is going to be the number next to x, and the y-intercept is going to be the other number all by itself. So in this question, the slope is 3, and the y-intercept is 2. Here, the y-intercept is going to be the start point, which in this situation is -1. And then the slope is going to be how this dot gets to that dot, which is up 2 to the right 3. So 2 over 3. Then here, slope and y-intercept. So the y-intercept is going to be always next to the 0 on the chart. So the y-intercept here is going to be 4. Next to when x is 0, not when y is 0, when x is 0. Now the slope, we pick 2 points. I'll choose the first 2. And then we're going to do the slope. So how does a -2 get to a 0? Remember, it's change in y divided by the change in x. So -2 to 0 is +2. And then -3 to -2, the first number to the first number, is going to be up 1. So our slope is 2 over 1. But if you divide that, 2 divided by 1, you'll get 2. So both of these are acceptable. So here, so when you're reading a story, the thing that happens once is going to be the y-intercept, and something that's continuously happening is going to be the slope. So the tree grows 2 feet every year. The original height of the tree was 4 feet. So the original is only going to happen once. So the original is going to be 4 for the y-intercept. Now, grows 2 feet every year, that's going to be the slope, 2 feet per year. All right? Now, here we go. So when 2 lines intersect, that is one solution. Okay? The solution for this is going to be 2, 3. So 2, 3. Remember, you always say x first, and then you say y. So that's why I said 2, and then I said 3. These are parallel lines, so this has no solution. This is one line on top of another line, so this has infinite solutions. This is going to be, now, here I have 2 equations. They definitely have one solution, but it's going to be one of these. Okay? So we'll try the middle one, 2, -1. So let's plug it in. So if we plug in 2 here, that's going to be 1/2 times 2 minus 2. And it needs to equal -1. So 2 times 1/2, so 2 times 1 divided by 2, that's going to give us 1. So 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is -1. So I plugged in a 2, and my answer was -1. This checks out on this side. Now I'm going to check it on this side. So it's going to be 2 times 2 minus 5. So it's going to be 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 is -1. This also checks out. So seeing as though this point exists on this line and on this line, that means that this is the solution for both of these equations. So actually, first guess, did pretty well. Now, this one. So here, we're going to graph both of these on the same graph. So we'll start with the first one. The first one's -1. We start on -1. And then our slope is 2 over 3. So from here, it's going up 2 to the right 3. And then you simply connect those lines. Now we're going to be graphing this one. This one, which I'll do over here. So let's do, it starts on 3. So 1, 2, 3. So that's this one. And then the slope is -2 over 1. You got to put a 1 underneath it so you know you have to go to the right. So that means -2 means down 2, 1, 2, and to the right 1 right there. And then we're graphed. This is the point where they intersect. So this has one solution. That's it.